Hi everyone, today I'll be giving you a brief tutorial of Hootsuite, which will allow you to manage our social pages a lot smoother. Alright, so right now we're currently on the dashboard page, and this is the page where you can see what's going on between all your social networks, the news feeds, what's being tweeted, where you're mentioned at, some of the keywords. Just for example, this is the column right here is where our scheduled tweets for the future are. Go down, goes all the way down to October. This is the home feed. So if you were to log on through the regular twitter.com page, you'd see this, and everyone we're following is in this feed. And say you're interested in what they did, you can just click reply, retweet if you agree, or direct message the person who tweeted it. If you see a hashtag in here, you can click on it and it'll search it, and you have a plethora of information that you can use to either retweet or kind of reconstruct and use it for content yourself if you're interested. And we go down here. The other streams are mentions, new followers, favorites, inboxing, keywords. Alright, and then if you want to add another stream, whether it be to Twitter, Google Plus, or Facebook, simply just go to add stream, and you can either add a certain type of stream, or you can just add a keyword. Say data technology. Add this, and then it'll show up here, and basically whatever you search, data technology, this is what comes up. So if you want to leverage this content and post it later, you can, which I find very helpful at times when I'm looking for new content. At the very top, we have where you can compose your messages. Just type in a message, and you can send it right now to any of our pages. Just click on one of these. So if you only wanted to send it to Twitter, you do this. You want to add a link, you put a link in here and it'll shorten it for you. An image or a file, you can upload it, and you can also schedule it. And so you want to schedule the tweet for tonight at, let's say, 7:15. You can schedule at 7:15. Click send, and immediately it will appear on your scheduled tweets. And if you don't want it, you don't want to send it, or you want to change your mind, you can just delete it. And it'll ask you if you want to delete it. You just say yes, and it will erase it for you. Alright, now I kind of went over the dashboard and seeing some of the spots you can use. Now I'll kind of go over the publisher. Publisher is basically the scheduled tweets, but it's expanded. So you can see what's being scheduled for Twitter, for Google Plus, for Facebook, for all of them. And see, for Monday, August 4th, we have this message coming out through all three of our networks, while we have one just going out for Twitter. And you can schedule this by going to compose message, and here I'm going to use an example, use our content library. Take one of the articles, for example, cloud storage for business, pros and cons. So I'll copy that, paste the description into the message box, and then I'll take the link and paste that into the add link box. Shrink that, and then it'll show up, and voila, there you have your message. And have the the message typed out, you can schedule it for later. So say you want to post it August 5th at 10:30 a.m. Schedule it then and press schedule, and it's only going out to Twitter. If you want to add to Facebook or Google Plus, you can click these as well. But for example purposes, we'll just send it to Twitter. So schedule, and it should show up right here. So there you have it. Schedule the tweet for 10:30 a.m. August 5th. So you don't want to use it anymore, you can always edit it if you want to send it to other profiles, Google Plus and Facebook, or you can just erase it if you like. We'll just erase it here, and that's what you're gonna do. So whenever now I'd say whenever you're building out the calendar, you want to just schedule the content right away. So you just take your content, schedule it for that day, for those next few days, and you have it. So that way you don't end up having to do it all at the very end, and just it'll take a while, rather than just keep doing it continuously, and you'll be ahead of the game. There's also a way to bulk schedule it, although it costs extra money, but it can save lots of time if you do happen to wait till the last second to do it. And then, so this is pretty much for the publisher. That's how it works. You can also change the view, monthly view, past schedule, and you can see what it looks like for the future. There you go, and this is the publisher on Hootsuite. And then also, just quickly, here on the left hand side we have the page where you can run all the reports. Basically, you can run, Twitter reports, talks about how your followers growing, what content has been clicked on the most, and then you go through a bunch of these for Facebook as well, and then Google Plus. I think since they do cost some of the more in-depth analytical reports cost more money, what I would do is just maybe run a report quarterly rather than weekly or monthly, and that way you can get a full overview without spending extra money. Or you can just keep the analytical thing, you can keep them manually by just running a spreadsheet or something. I mean, it's up to you. Just however you want to run it. It's just very convenient that they have the reports that can be ran for you. And and that's our Hootsuite tutorial. If you have any questions about it, just let me know. I am uploading this to my YouTube account, so if you do have any questions, just let me know. Send me an email. I'll be happy to help. Thank you.